What if we gamify gyms, make it more interactive, more fun, and more engaging? And this actually could be a huge business model in India, which nobody is doing. So जब आप जिम में जाते हो, generally you see people running on a treadmill. अब मान लो 5 people are running, but you see them and they have lack of energy, lack of will, और कई बार वो बोर होके उतर जाते हैं. But what if I tell you, उनके सामने आप एक बड़ा स्क्रीन लगा सकते हो, and real time they will be racing each other with the same speed that they're running on the treadmill. They can do a 1 kilometer race, a 2 kilometer, or whatever they want to do. But just imagine then the energy, the motivation, and the fun that you'll have by doing this. कोई बंदा उतरेगा नहीं because they are competing with each other. कोई बंदा slow नहीं होगा because एक ego में लगेगा कि अरे how can I lose from this guy? The same concept is applicable to exercise cycles also. जहाँ लोग एक cycle में exercise कर रहे होते हैं, but in this case they are doing a cycle race with each other. So just imagine अगर आपने एक gym को enable कर दिया to have this real time simulation of people racing each other while doing the workouts, it can be a game changer. Even people who don't work out would like to come and work out, and those who do will stay longer, be fitter, and exercise longer. And इस चीज को enable करने के लिए you can charge a premium to the gym, जो आपको either एक lump sum amount या एक subscription amount देगा to make the gym smart and interactive, gamified in this way. So here you can run a lot of promotions, like top performers can be given a discount. You can run tournaments, have the winners who they get cash prizes, and you can get sponsorship from nutrition brands and other brands who want to participate in the same space. If you want to know how to set this up, check out the link tree on my bio.